Morning. Tricky one today. I found it hard anyway. We thought we'd have a bit of a look at some nature poetry, and so the idea is that I read you my favourite nature poem and then post it up on the chat, and then you think about your favourite nature poem, and then you either read it or post it up or whatever, tell us what it is so we can go and find it or something like that. But then I had to find my favourite nature poem. That just took me so long. And I chose one, and I even recorded it, and then I thought, do you know, actually, I'm trying to find it, I'm going to do this one instead, because it actually feels a little bit more pertinent to the day, or the time, where it feels like, because of what's happening, nature is taking the world back again, and this speaks to that. So this is by Margaret Atwood, and it's called The Moment. And I'm going to turn the camera around and read it while I walk along. So I hope you enjoy Margaret Atwood's The Moment, and I'm really, really looking forward to hearing and seeing your nature poems through today. Okay, here we go. The Moment. The moment when, after many years of hard work and a long voyage, you stand in your room, house, half acre, square mile, island, country, knowing at last how you got there, and say, I own this, is the same moment when the trees unloose their soft arms from around you. The birds take back their language. The cliffs fissure and collapse. The air moves back away from you like a wave, and you can't breathe. No, they whisper, you own nothing. You were a visitor time after time, climbing the hill, planting the flag, proclaiming, we never belonged to you. You never found us. It was always the other way round.